we can set up approval groups for change requests and other types of tickets. Approval groups create the rules that map approval phases and potential CIs to the approvers required for a change. The approval engine matches all approval groups using the matching criteria and maps approvers. Let's create an approval group for a change request. From the Manage menu, click Tools, then Approval Groups. Click Create New. From the Related to Form drop-down list, click Change Request. Enter the name and description. By default, the status is active. Analysts are also allowed to modify the list of approvers. Click Apply Changes to save the new approval group. Next, we'll add rules that map the approval phase to the list of approvers in the group. This approval group will be mapped to the Reg Review approval phase and also the normal change management workflow. On the Matching Criteria tab, click the drop-down list arrow and select Approval Phase. The approval phase is set to Reg Review. Next, click the Add New button, located to the right. The query field shows the first matching criteria. Before adding the next matching criteria, we'll edit this field. First, add a space at the end of the string. Type the word "and" in all uppercase letters. Then add another space. This is how it should look. To add the second matching criteria, select Change Type from the list. The change type is set to normal. Click the Add New button again. And the query field shows the two matching criteria. Now, let's add a couple of approvers. Click the Approvers tab. An approval group can be made up of contextual approvers, in addition to named approvers. Contextual approvers are users, or support groups, that are related from the context of a specific ticket. For example, the approver of a CI related to a service affected by a change request. Here, we'll add approvers for an affected service. To do this, click Add Contextual Approvers. Select Approvers for Affected Service, and click the Select button. The contextual approver is now listed. Next, let's add our administrator, Nick Clark, as a named approver. Click Add Approvers. Select Nick Clark. Now, we see Nick in the list of approvers. You can see how easy it is to create an approval group for a change request. For more detailed information about creating approval groups, go to the documentation wiki found under the Learn menu.